Hello, I'm Dr. Keith Moran. This weekend I spent several hours trying to get my iPhone videos onto my Windows PC. Needless to say, it was frustrating at times and I didn't find the information I needed on YouTube. All I really wanted to do is simply take a file off my phone and paste it into my computer. How simple is that? Unfortunately, it became quite time-consuming. There are many solutions to this problem, and I will go through these one by one. This can be a frustrating experience, not being able to see your special photos and videos that you've taken. Really, there should be seamless transfer between both devices. There are a number of steps that I will go over which can provide solutions for you. Step number 1. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the iTunes software installed. Make sure you have the latest version of Windows 10 software. Second step. Plug in your iPhone or other device to your Windows PC. Make sure your USB cable is functioning. Make sure the phone is unlocked so that it can be seen by the computer. Accept to trust your PC if necessary. Open Windows File Explorer to make sure that the iPhone is seen under this PC. If the iPhone is seen by Windows Explorer, go to step 4. If it's not, move on to step number 3. Step 3. Remove your iPhone from the computer and do a hard reset on your iPhone. For iPhone 10 and later models, push the volume up button and then release it, then press the volume down button and release it, then hold the power button for more than 6 seconds until the Apple icon appears. Then reattach the iPhone to the computer, which will often solve this problem. If this does not, then I would recommend uninstalling the iTunes software by going to Control Panel, then Programs and Features, then clicking on iTunes and clicking on Uninstall. I would then reboot the computer. Then reinstall iTunes from the Microsoft Store site. This will give you the latest driver software. Then you can reboot the computer if needed, and plug the iPhone back into the computer. The iPhone then should be recognized and will come up in Windows Explorer under My PC. Step number 4. Try resetting your iPhone location privacy settings, which may be helpful. On the iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then navigate to Reset and press Reset Location and Privacy. Then try reconnecting the iPhone to Windows PC. You will have to trust option on your phone at this point. If this does not work, you can try connecting your iPhone to a different USB port. Sometimes USB 3.0 ports can be a problem. Some users have found that using USB 2.0 port solves the problem. See if this works. It did work for me. On rare occasions, disabling the antivirus program may be helpful. Step number 5. Make sure that you have the latest version of Microsoft Windows Photo app. Go to the Microsoft Store and download the free Photo app. Go to the Microsoft Store and download the latest video extension file. This is on my slide. This is a free app. This will allow you to play high-efficiency coding videos in any video app on your Windows 10 device. These extensions are designed to take advantage of the hardware capabilities of newer devices that support 4K and Ultra HD content. The app is called the hevc, Video Extensions from Device Manufacturer. The video extension file gives you the ability to see photos in the .heic file extension, as well as the videos in the .mov file extension. Final step. Now try uploading. There are 2 ways of uploading your content to your Windows PC. Option number 1 would be to open the Photo app and click on Import. Now with the new video and photo device extensions, you should be able to see your videos and photos. They should import properly. The second way of uploading from your iPhone or Apple device to your Windows PC would be to click on Windows File Explorer, then click on iPhone, which you will find under this PC. Then click on DCIM and click on one of the folders which are typically named 100 and upwards with the word Apple. Within this folder you will find your images from that particular month. You can then select the files that you want and copy, then paste to a folder of your choice. If you open any of the files, they should now open correctly. The pictures will open in Windows Photo if this is your default app for images, in JPEG or HEIC, and in Windows Media Player if this is the default apps for .mov files. If you're not sure which default app to open these files, then do the following. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps, then at the bottom click Choose Default Apps by file type, then go down to the .heic and .mov to see which is your default. I hope this video has solved the problem for you. I know it put a big smile on my face. Hopefully it will on yours as well. If it did, please give me a like. Share the video with your friends and family if they're struggling with this problem. I know there were a lot of people on the internet who have been. I will be posting medical videos for the general public and my patients on common medical problems on this channel. Consider subscribing if you're interested in that. This has been Medicine with Dr. Moran. I'm Dr. Keith Moran. Thank you for watching today. Get healthy and stay healthy.